What's up?
Are you gonna post these on the Facebook?
Yeah.
Thank God. My history is too remarkable. I need to show them.
I can give it to a couple comments on. They can do whatever they want with it. So.
Okay, perfect. Tell them they need to post it.
I've never experienced this. This is crazy.
Why is this fire not going?
Got this, Scotty.
No. I'll do it after.
Oh, shit.
Shoelaces are untied.
You'd like it. Easy targets down.
Go, boy!
Thanks for the... Looks like I'm sitting in an RV with that sniper.
Yo, guys, let's go.
Hey, Rap, what color are we? We're red? Hey, we're red! Red!
Come on.
Takes the leg off.
Yeah, it's so funny because they thought he was blind, deaf, and dumb because he ain't never hit shit. Oh, free padding. Would you like some free helmet padding?
Oh yeah.
Should I moon the camera mid-game? No.
No.
I hope you get some killer shots of this snowman. It's gonna be sick.
We're not gonna tell my brother about this.
The end is coming!
The end is done!
Oh my God!
What did you do?
I love how it's going around us. Good luck.
Goals! You gotta be...
If that is the arena, best fucking people to be.
Oh, it's really slowing down. Holy shit. Looks like apocalyptic scene, bro.
Are we going or what? Someone say go. We all got a charge. All got a charge.
Plank with us,
No, I'm going straight down. When do we start? Hey,
I want to go straight down.
when do we start it? Did we start?
Hey, guys.
Follow him
You
around.
guys run on this mud. It's gonna be very slippery. Watch out. Very slick.
Go, 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 go!
Holy shit, dude. Yo, this is wild.
How's our fingerless coming to you?
So much photography. I might have to put this away. Don't want to get this too wet. I think that's what I'm gonna do and just get some POV shots. Oh, they got the yellow smoke.
I need to get a video of this. My hand's gonna fucking take it. So is my phone.
For Miss Hart, for Miss Hart.
Yeah.
I've never seen something like this in my life.
This is wild, dude.
Left side, left side, left side.
I'm just gonna stand in the middle. I don't want to get shot. See if I could just record from my phone, maybe.
Lots of great airsoft photos with you guys, but
The one fucking time I forget my
this is the best. Okay, I can't.
I've never seen a flash snowstorm. I've never once seen a flash snowstorm.
I've never seen this in my life. And look at all the colors, guys.
I'm pushing.
Red!
Hey, right!
Oh my god, my camera! I just got hit. Cameraman down.
Watch right, watch right, watch right. Hey, hey, if you stand up, just give me one straight ahead, like that.
My camera's covered, I can't use it anymore. Yeah, I have to. I mean, I got the Action 3 up on my head, so play V shots. Hold up, wait. My camera's gonna be destroyed. It's not good.
Gentlemen, that is not enough cover for one.
I'll give me chill, bro.
How about the push left? Still back right barrel. Mr. Cameraman, you ever seen this before?
No, I haven't. This is wicked.
This is fucking awesome.
This is insane. I can't even use my camera anymore because it's covered in snow. It's literally impossible to see. I could give it to Capital Comment Zone. They could do whatever they want with it. So.
Yep. They need to post it. Like, it needs to be posted.
Oh yeah. No, it definitely does. How you doing over here, mate? I've never experienced this. It's crazy. No, I can't. My camera is soaked.
Dude.
I don't know if it's gonna be damaged or not. I hope not, but
As long as you have, is that connected to an audio port?
it is, yeah.
Unplug it and close the audio.
That's how cheaper.
Do you know where they are?
No clue. I can only see you guys.
I can't see anything. Matt, do I come to you?
Back right barrel. I think I'm just gonna go for objective. I'm literally walking. Hey, you guys over there. Okay, across to you. You're clear. You're clearly clear.
I go.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so.
Yeah, it's literally that.
Is it ours? No. Yeah, it is. What's that?
Where are they?
Wait, what is that? You know what? I lost the radio.
No!
That's alright.
We're never finding it.
Do the call button. If you do the call button, you'll find it.
I got hit.